Okay, welcome everyone to our first session in our AI chatbot build. Uh, Actually, it's an AI chatbot agency snapshot build. Okay, and welcome to this first video. And today, what we're going to do is the basic setups muna. Okay, that's for upcoming three or four videos. Puro mga basic setup ang gagawin natin just to prepare yung framework natin and din yung mga back end stuff natin. Okay, so kung hindi nyo pa nada-download yung synopsis natin or yung ating syllabus. So ito yung outline niya. Meron dyan link sa baba where you can download this. And this other contents will be populated in the coming days. So as long as you have the access to this document, palaging updated 'yan. Okay. Tsaka nyo na i-copy kapag natapos na 'to lahat-lahat. Okay? So, today ang gagawin natin is we'll subscribe to high level. We'll have the 30-day free trial. Okay? So, three things gagawin natin is magkaroon ng high-level sub-account or may option tayo to subscribe sa GHL Sandbox para sa mga ayaw ng high-level na free trial na 30 days. So, ang GHL Sandbox, wala naman silang free trial, but you can purchase a sub-account for an affordable price naman. So if that's an option that you want, and then we'll discuss also the pros and cons sa kung alin ang pipiliin mo. Then later we'll purchase also how to purchase a domain via GoDaddy kung wala pa kayong domain. So I've been using GoDaddy since uh, 2016. Okay, so that's why I like their services and yeah. So okay, let's start sa natin, sa first video natin. Okay, let's begin by subscribing to High Level's 30-day free trial. Now, if you go now sa Go High Level na website, ang nakalagay lang diyan is yung 14-day free trial. Okay? So, hidden yung 30-day free trial and it is only shown for those who have agency or those who are affiliates of High Level. So, meron sa baba is a link to my affiliate uh, link. Okay, so that offers a 30-day free trial. Ito yon. So, makikita nyo sa baba. Makikita nyo sa dulo, may nakalagay dyan, Melencio. So, what will happen if you use that link? So, it's just a similar subscription, but ang pinagkaiba lang is I will earn a portion kung itutuloy nyo yung subscription. But yeah, so if you cancel before the 30-day trial, yeah, that's a I will not earn anything. Okay, so but if you are not if you're not I call this if you don't want to use my affiliate link, okay lang din, no problem. So that's just an option for you na pwede mong gawin. If you don't want that, just remove this end part. Okay. And then open this in an incognito tab kasi kung ito pa rin yung binisita nyo, may cookies na yan, may history na yan. Sa akin pa rin mapupunta yung affiliate niyan. Kung na-click nyo na. Okay? But yep. So that's for uh, to continue this, all you need to do is to click the 30-day free trial, complete this, company name, full name, your email address and phone number, and remember sa uh, Remember. Okay, so let's do that. Let's use a dummy one. Nation 101. Let's see. Okay. So you have an option to choose between the starter plan, which is uh, three sub-accounts lang. 30-day trial para sa 97 dollars per month. After that uh, free trial. Or you can do the unlimited plan. Well, I suggest if you're only mga testing lang naman, so yung starter plan, that's okay. So, actually, kahit saan dyan yung piliin mo, kaya kung wala ka namang planong mag-purchase ng after 30 days, so kahit alin dyan pwede mong gamitin. Just be mindful na before the 30 days, they will remind you, high level will remind you na malapit nang uh, mag 30 days, so you can cancel it if you don't want to be charged with 97 a month or 297 per month. Okay, and then after that, you can click start your 30-day free trial and you'll receive yung mga email where you can activate your account. Okay? So yeah, as simple as that. Yun yung para sa high level na 30-day trial. Oh, another option will be for you to subscribe uh, to high level sandbox. Ito yung mga requirements. Nakalista pala dyan, mga requirements niya. So, if you want to ang JHL Sandbox pala ay white label lang siya. White label siya ng high level. Okay? So, and owned by, managed and yung agency nito is managed by my friend JR. And then, yep, at a very affordable price na 499. So, if you're watching this video and on a later time, this might be, ano na siya, nag-increase na siya. Because that's what I heard from the community. Okay, so, yep. So, ito yung mga requirements kapag mag-sign up ka. So, yung link, andito. Pwede i-click nyo lang yan. So, andito niya sa taas. Okay. Okay, they have three plans naman nandito. So, you pick and choose. I would suggest if you're just learning, starting out, get the lowest so that so you'll be able to uh, makapag-practice lang. Okay? So, you get that. And then they also have uh, training certification programs that you can apply. They also have internship programs that you can try out. So if you're starting from scratch talaga, okay, I would suggest that you go through the the lowest package and take advantage of the training that they have. Okay, so let's pick this one. Get bronze. Then you fill out all these details. Okay. Then after you do that, you'll be directed to the payment. Okay? So ito yung mga prices niya. So you deposit them via GCash or kung sa Cebuana, ganyan. Ito yung number niya para sa GCash. Then, quick tip lang. Basahin nyo ito hanggang sa baba para makita nyo yung ano. For example, dito, mag-scan ka dito, send ka ng, for example, 499. Meron kasi dito, please send a screenshot of the receipt and the phrase payment sent to us by messaging our Facebook page. So, okay. So, sabihin mo lang dito, send payment receipt. Pag kinlik mo to, mapupunta ka sa Messenger ah, ng ng JHL Sandbox na page. That is where you will send yung receipt, tapos yung phrase na payment sent. And then isama mo na din yung yung email na ginamit mo sa pag-register. Email tsaka full name para mas mabilis na lang ma-verify. Okay? So, yep. After that, this usually takes around, sa experience ko, less than a day, but it can last up to 2 days, no? Depende sa kung gaano kadami yung nag-subscribe for that day. At kung anong oras kayo kung madaling araw kayo nag-subscribe, and be-verify pa to ng accounts team. Okay? That's, yeah, that's it para sa subscription ng magkaroon lang kayo ng access sa high level na sub account or agency account. Okay, so hindi pala ako affiliate ng JCL Sandbox. I don't earn anything or commissions if while doing this. I just find the platform clean siya, walang masyadong clutter. And then friendly friendly yung tropa. Okay? Yung natin, si JR. Kaya approachable and yan, magaling siya magturo. Then next, uh probably you'll need to wait up until you already have that access. Kung yung first option ng ginamit mo, yung 30-day free trial using my affiliate link, tapos nakapagbayad ka na, you'll have your access instantly, and then you can follow along already. But if you're used yung sa JHL Sandbox, you need to wait until kung na-activate na yung account mo. Okay? And okay, let's talk about the pros and cons ng kung alin subscription ang pipiliin mo. Okay? So, sige, dun tayo sa pros and cons ng JHL Sandbox. Ang gusto ko sa JHL Sandbox is affordable siya, and less clutter nga yung niya, yung platform niya. And yeah, it's basically the same for all white label accounts. And then um there are you are limited sa kung ano yung ibibigay nila sa na plan. Okay? For example, makikita nyo dito yan. You're limited to 500 contacts and 250 emails per day. That's fine when you're just learning things. Pero sa application, you can almost immediately, kumbaga, consume all that in less than an hour. Okay? Kung you're actually, kumbaga, using the system for business or for your freelancing or agency na mga endeavors. And same is true with this one. So, 1,000 contacts for 50 emails per day. Yeah, yeah. I think the thing is, ito yung very affordable siya. That's what I love about this. When you're starting out, you can do this. Okay? So, if your sending is pasok siya sa ganyang mga limit, and then go for this JHL Sandbox. No need to spend a lot of money for if you're not sending too much emails or if you don't have that much of a lead. Okay? Okay, so yun lang yung pros and cons niya. Affordable, and cons lang is, yeah, of course, you'll be limited, and that's okay because affordable nga siya. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa high level. Kung ito yung pipiliin nyo, is pricey talaga siya. May presyo talaga siya. And I think yun yung isa sa mga pumipigil ng marami sa atin na kumuha directly from high level. Okay, if you're just starting out, so mahirap kapag ito na agad ang pibilin mo. So, uh, Ang maganda lang is napaka-scalable niya. Okay, meron silang pay as you go na platform na na subscription plan. Kumbaga, kung ano yung kung ano yung mga na-consume mo, yun ang babayaran mo. Okay? So, yeah, I find this really helpful kung meron kang own agency account o kahit yung starter plan lang. Kumbaga, hindi mo magiging problema yung gaano kadaming email na yung ba na na-send ganun. So, I think yun yung para sa akin lang uh, one of the benefit kapag sa ano ka high level ka diretso bumili. So, my take, if you're just still starting out, nag-aaral ka pa lang or yeah, first time mo sa high level, okay ba, purchase yung ano, then learn the purchase any plan here, probably yung abot kaya para sa'yo. And then, start learning things, apply it, and then kapag nakita mong ano, kailangan ng mag-upgrade, eh, at tapos na-hit mo yung ano dito, kumbaga maximum dito na it doesn't make sense na kung naka nakadaming add-ons ka na and almost the same na yung pricing sa ano dito sa dito sa high level mismo, then that's the time you migrate. That's the time you transfer. And they have ano naman no. Basta sobrang ganda lang ng ganong strategy. So you start small and then as you learn, as you go, start building big things. Then you go and buy directly from high level. Okay. I think, yeah, that's my take on the high level and purchasing a sub account under JHL Sandbox. Okay, next is how to purchase a domain via GoDaddy. Ano yung mga requirements niya? Kailangan mo lang na yung may account gamit ng email mo. Then you need a credit or a debit card or kung may PayPal kayo, pwede rin. And I believe GCash din pwede na siya sa GoDaddy mag-purchase ng domain. Okay, so paano siya gagawin? Dito sa Okay, punta ka lang sa GoDaddy na website. GoDaddy.ph yung ginamit ko kasi para yung ano niya, yung tawag to, yung pricing niya is naka ano siya, peso. So type the domain that you want. So, okay, for most of you siguro wala pang account, gawa na kayo ng account. Dito sa top right makikita mo yung ano, uh, sign up. Okay, so click mo lang yung sign up, enter your email, and then there will be a verification process. Go through with that, then you go back here and makikita mo to, yung ano na to, yung platform na to. It says here, type the domain that you want. Okay, you type out something like uh, cute puppy. Okay, for example, ay mga affordable na domains, pwedeng kung starting pa lang kayo, again, piliin nyo yung mga medyo affordable lang. Like this one, cutepuppy.me, cutepuppy.co or co, mga mga affordable lang. At live.vip, yan, mura lang din yan. Compared sa mga ano, .ph, yan, mahal yan. .pro, pwede pa, okay lang for the first year. Pero yung renew niya, makikita nyo dito yung renew eh. Okay. So, kapag may napili na kayo, for example, this .co, ayan, cutepuppy.co. So, piso daw siya kung 3-year yung term. Basta basahin nyo lang yan palagi. Then, if you don't want a 3-year term, adjust natin siya sa checkout page. Let's say we click this one. Hintayin yung lumabas yung continue. Click nyo yung continue. And then, continue to cart. May mga nakapila na kasi dito, yung mga bibilin ko. But, yep. For example, saan na ba yan? Yan, cute puppy. Nakalagay dito 3 years. So, lagay mo lang dyan 1 year and then lalabas na yung kung magkano talaga siya. So, that's 1,199. And, yeah, judging from the ano dito, mga pricing, you can have yung .com like 700 lang. Ito 700 lang din, mga .me. So, depende talaga sa type nyo. So, mamimili lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Then, pag happy na kayo dyan, wala magbabayad na kayo, you need to either, kung may PayPal kayo, you click that, or kung meron na kayong nakalink na card, it will show up here kung meron na kayo or wala pa. But probably, kung bagong account nyo, wala pa yung nakalink na card, saan kayo paano kayo magbabayad. So, you change that and then click I'm ready to pay. And then after that, notify sa inyo na purchase nyo na, kakaltas na yan sa kung ano mang ginamit nyo. Then you go back sa GoDaddy. Supposedly, nabayaran nyo na and okay na yon. You go to My Products. That domain should be here. Okay? That domain should be here. Lalabas na yan dito. Okay? And that's how you purchase yung domain name for in GoDaddy para gagamitin natin mamaya sa high level. Then, nakalagay dito is paano tayo mag-set up kung binili nyo is agency, directly sa agency mismo, and how we set up again yung sa sub-account. Okay? So, that's for the continuation.